In between your collarbone and your shoulder, you'll find you have a little groove. That's where you want to place the rifle, straight in that little groove. Again, you wrap your arm around it. Notice to keep the finger off the trigger. Okay, until you're ready to shoot, there's no real reason to have the finger on the trigger. It's good firearm safety. Okay, police do it, military do it, it's just good practice. Try to pick up good habits now, you're not going to have to worry later. Alright? Learn how to do it right at the start. Alright, so when you're looking through a scope, you've got to have your head a certain distance away from the scope. Okay, if you're too close or too far away, you'll end up with black rings on the inside and you won't be able to see properly. So when you look through the scope, I suggest to start close, eye in the middle, slowly move your head back, and hit the sweet spot where you see it ring perfect. After about 3 or 4 magazines, you probably won't remember where that's from. Until then, it's going to be right home in the house. Sounds fun. Alright, some people pick it up, other people don't well. Alright, so just keep moving your head around until then black rings disappear. You hear that there, yeah? Good. Alright, so tuck there, eyes on. Using your right hand, lock and load. Fire shot, unload, reload, unload, reload, unload, reload, unload, reload, unload, reset, reload. Don't expect you to do it that quick, but that's the whole idea, okay? You want to keep your eyes on your target, cycle through your rounds, bang, 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 reset, reload. If I pull it, then you go off one. That's why after your first shot, back. Right, when you pull it back, it's going to spit out the empty shell, and your next live round is going to be sitting in your way. Alright, so right hand works, left hand supports. You want to my right leg? I do that for 2 reasons. First reason, it opens up your diaphragm, gets your chest off the mat. That allows you to aim and shoot without having to worry about your breathing so much. Second reason is, it stabilises you, keeps you nice and steady. If you have both legs straight, you tend to have movement in your body, you're off side to side, you don't want it. Any questions on that? Alright, let's just say you're halfway through shooting. Very important. If your rifle ever makes this noise,